Google Play gift card for Genshin Impact. In this video, you are going to learn how to use Google Play gift card for Genshin Impact. So let's get started. First, go to your Play Store mobile application in your mobile phone. Then you will see a screen like this. From here in the upper right corner, you will see the profile icon. Tap on this profile icon. All of these options will appear. Now click on the option that says payment and subscriptions. After going to the payments and subscription section, click on the first option that says payment methods. Here you will be able to see all of your payment methods. One of them is redeem code. From here you will redeem the code and then you will go to Genshin Impact, and in Genshin Impact you will search for the product you want to buy. After adding that product to your cart, you will see the payment option appear. You will select Google Pay as your payment option, and that's how you will be able to use Google Play gift card for Genshin Impact. That's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content like this.